Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. We just wanted to show you a quick video of the unboxing and how to set up video of the Foldio360 Smart Dome. So here is the final package box of the Foldio360. So on the sides you can see the various functions, and then once you flip it, you can see the specs and a quick 3-step instruction of how to use the Foldio360 Smart Dome. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. As you open the top, set this down. So here are the dome stands. And here is the power adapter. And this one, there are the universal plugs. Also in this box, there will be a manual in different languages, and it will teach you how to use the Foldio360 Smart Dome and give you some tips. And there will also be a QR code that will take you to the application manual guide, which is available in multiple languages as well. Now we're going to show you how to quickly set up the Foldio360 Smart Dome. As you can tell, the dome stands are already attached. If you're curious, you could check out the video below. But there will be also a printed manual with the QR code that will take you to an instruction video as well. Okay, so first we're going to attach the plug into the adapter. So we're going to push it all the way in until you hear a click. And then you're going to turn the Foldio360 Smart Dome around. And here you can see there are 4 holes. The first one is going to be the micro USB. So this is for debugging usage, so users will not be using this. And the second hole is where we're going to put the adapter inside. Okay. And the third one is for aux. This will be for DSLR wire remote mode. And the last one will be display mode. So once you press this, this will allow the turntable to rotate continuously without having to use the application. Now we're going to plug in the Foldio360 Smart Dome. You should see this flash of light. Select device, connect to Foldio360D. Alright, and then I'm going to turn on the center light. Place the object. And you could also adjust the brightness and the color temperature, and you could control your turntable as well. So once you set up your Foldio360 Smart Dome, you'll be able to take single shot 360 video and 360 image ranging from 24, 36, and 48 frames by just pressing the red button over here. I'm going to go ahead and edit one of the images that I took. I'm going to click that, press the edit button. I'm going to adjust the exposure and the color temperature. And I'm going to save. And you could also press this to export as a single shot. If you take a video, you could also export it as an MP4, and you could also export it as a GIF and all data as well. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to watch the video below if you're curious about how to attach the dome stand. We also posted an infographic regarding the shipping progress above, so please check that out as well. Thank you!